How to design Shopify store with Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Shopify. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to click over here under apps. Click this on the add apps button. And over here, you're going to select Shopify App Store below. By clicking this, we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store, where we will be able to see all kinds of applications built for Shopify. And over here, we're simply going to search here the word Canva. And then we will be able to see all apps related to Canva, all apps that are being used to connect Canva and Shopify together. I would recommend that you choose Auto Sync Canva integration over here. Simply click on install and we will be able to install this specific application. So give it a few seconds over here to load. And you're basically going to be able to connect your account in Shopify together with Canva. So let's install this. And you will be able to select any project that you're currently working on in Canva and use it for your Shopify store. So I'll give it a few seconds over here. The next step would be connecting our accounts. So wait for it. So now over here, we will be installing another one, which is Shopify Sync over here. This is another app that we need to install. So simply open that in another link. Now this will be inside of Canva itself. This time, we here, there you go. Connect Canva plus Shopify. Simply select that. And give it a second to load again. And we will have our store key over here. So this is something we're going to have to copy. So as you can see here, we could choose to whether use an existing design or use in new designs. For example, this one. So let's click on use new design. And then you could select here our projects that we have made or using an existing design over here, our projects, and simply select the projects that you want to use for your Shopify store. And after that, you will be able to easily use your Canva designs inside of Shopify. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.